What is up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. I decided to vlog today. It is beautiful out today. Still very cold for April. It is 26 degrees and I am gonna start running. I'm getting back into running. I have a race coming up in a couple weeks. I have not ran in a couple years, so this is not gonna go well. This is my first time out. It's freezing, but the sun's shining, so it should be okay. We will find out shortly. Guys, just got back, do some stretching. That actually was not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. My lungs felt really good. That was my biggest concern. Years ago, my asthma bothered me when I would run in the cold, but it definitely doesn't bother me anymore. And I think there's 3 reasons for that. One is, I like to do high intense interval training 2 to 3 times a week. It's awesome because it's short. 20 minutes, 30 minutes, your workout is done. And I also have been doing, weight training about 4 days a week, besides that. So that definitely helped. My weight is down where I used to be when I was, when I peaked at running. So weight-wise, I'm there. I definitely have more muscle now, which I think helps. So the resistance training definitely helped for that. So that's number 2, is resistance training, weight training. So you got, 1, high-intensity interval training definitely helped my lungs. Definitely helped my breathing, and the weight training helped build muscle, so I feel stronger. And thirdly is a ketogenic diet. It is proven that a ketogenic diet is awesome for inflammation. So someone who is an asthmatic, inflammation is a problem. My face is still kind of numb. It's cold out here. But yeah, my cardio felt great. So those 3 things definitely have helped out. Keto has definitely helped me keep the weight down as well, while preserving and maintaining muscle and slowly building muscle as well. So yeah, it was a good run. I had to definitely focus on my form. At first I could feel it in my knees and stuff, so I tried to do chi style running. So if you can look that up on YouTube, it's pretty interesting. But basically what it is when you start to run, you stand up straight and you fall forward, and then you start to run. So you're almost standing up straighter as you're running, so your knees don't take the brunt of it. As your feet land on the ground, your whole body takes the impact, so it's less pressure and damage to your knees and and everything else. So you can feel the ground coming right up through your hips, through your knees, through your whole body. So your whole body takes the impact, and yeah, it feels much better. It's definitely awesome form, so you don't hurt yourself. Alright, well, I'm going to continue stretching here and let my body calm down before I go inside, and then I'm going to hit the showers. I might hit the foam roller too, stretch out a bit. I'm going to be sore tomorrow. My legs are still sore from my leg workout. If you didn't check out that video, I have a really good leg workout video. I'll link that down below, so check it out. Just got out of the shower, feeling great after that run. I forgot to mention my pace. I was about like an 8.5 minute mile, which is better than I thought I'd do. I thought I'd be like a 9.5 since I haven't ran in a couple years. I mean, even at my peak, I think I was I averaged a 7-minute mile, so I can easily get back there, or at least that's my goal. I've only probably had a few races where I was in the 6s, late 6s, like pretty much a 7-minute mile. Anyway, yeah, feel good. Also, another thing is, so I always do my cardio fasted. So I like to do intermittent fasting, usually like 16 hours, so I'll stop eating at a certain time at night, and then, while you're sleeping, obviously you're not eating, so I will then, push off breakfast basically till a little bit later, and that's what I did today. It's about noontime, so I'm at about 16 hours where I haven't eaten anything, and I love doing my cardio fasted. It it's awesome, and you know the reward is much greater. You'd think you wouldn't have energy, and actually you have way more energy doing fasted cardio, and you'll get way better results too. So, you know, if you haven't looked into intermittent fasting, it's definitely a great tool to use. It's not something you have to do, but you know, try to do like a 16-8, so 16 hours fast, and then your eating window is in 8 hours. So that's what I'm doing today. Tomorrow I'll probably go a little bit longer. I like to do a couple days of 20-hour fasts and just a 4-hour eating window. Definitely don't start off doing that if it's something you want to ease into, but it is a great tool to use. I love intermittent fasting. So yeah, it's noontime. It's time to eat. I am hungry now. I wasn't hungry up until this point. I ran and everything, did everything this morning. I had a couple cups of black coffee and water. Definitely get a lot of water in. And yeah, so let's see what I'm doing for my first meal of the day. So what we have here, breakfast is served. We've got 3 eggs. We've got 1 ounce of spinach. We've got a sausage patty and some American cheese, all cooked in 1 tablespoon of Kerrygold butter. Macros I will put down there. Great first meal of the day. Bye, guy. Bye, guy.
Bye, guy.
Bye, guy.
Bye, guy.
Have fun. Mwah.
Okay.
I gotta go get Andrew from school a little bit early.
Okay.
He's got an orthodontist appointment.
Uh-oh.
Poor guy's gonna be sore.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's up, bud?
Hi.
How's your weekend?
Good.
Excited for the orthodontist?
No.
They're gonna pull
No.
5 teeth today.
No, they're not.
And then they're gonna put metal, like, plates over your whole head, like a halo. And then they're gonna, I have to tighten them every night so everything squeezes together.
No.
Probably not. We just got back from the orthodontist. Andrew got some springs. Is that what they put in your mouth?
Yeah.
Yeah. Springs put in his mouth, so probably pretty uncomfortable. All right. I got the grill warming up. We're gonna do some steaks on the grill, and I'm making my keto cheddar parmesan broccoli soup. Link the recipe in the description below. You can check that out. I have a video on that as well. So if you want that recipe, check it out. It's a good one, tasty. All right, I'm gonna show him how it's done. Play some hoops.
Should I take this one? Wait, let's play the turn.
See. And Mama and Papa got inside. And Hi, Papa.
Hey,
Hello.
you're dressed just like Daddy.
I'm barefoot.
You're barefoot.
I need socks though.
Yeah.
Whoa.
yeah, look at these bad boys. Got a big rib eye for myself, a couple fillets for my wife. She'll have one of those, and then we'll have some for leftovers. I put a special dry rub on there. It is a spice combination that my brother came out with, and yeah, anyway, I can't, it's not released yet, so I can't tell you what it is, but Montreal steak seasoning works really good. But this is a garlic one that my brother came out with, and we will be selling it eventually on garlicgoods.com, website that we own. Check out this deck. I'm trying to grill. Still got snow on there because the solar panels, all the snow comes off the roof and lands on the deck. So it's kind of annoying when I'm trying to grill.
Yes.
While I'm out here grilling, I figured I'd tell you I had a snack when I got home. I wanted to tell you guys everything that I ate today to help you out as to, you know, what to eat on a ketogenic diet. That is what I do. It's what I like. Yeah, so I had a serving of sunflower seeds, like already shucked, and I had a Baby Bell cheese little circle thing. So that was good. Oh, I also had my keto coffee, which is 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream and 1 tablespoon of Kerrygold butter. So that was kind of my snack in between meals. Pretty much today I'm just going to have 2 big meals. I had those eggs earlier, and then I'm going to have this broccoli cheddar Parmesan soup along with my big ribeye. That's going to be my second big meal of the day. I might have another, I'll probably have a snack too. We'll see where my macros are at, and I'll let you know. Oh yeah, these guys are looking good. I'm gonna do mine medium, and my wife likes hers more medium well. I don't know what she's thinking. She's missing out. Oh yeah. That's one big meal we've got here. That's a 10-ounce ribeye, and then I'm gonna have that bowl of broccoli cheddar soup. And yeah, so good.
Hi guys.
What are you guys doing?
Pooping. Reading books.
Story?
Yeah, we're pooping.
Don't be silly. No potty talk.
No potty talk. Stop.
Are you ready for story time?
Yes. And Tracy. Yes. I guess I poop.
What a day, guys. Finished that meal at about 5:30. And I'm still stuffed. It's about 7 o'clock. We're winding down. Gonna watch some sports. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Kids are getting their bedtime stories. The little ones getting their bedtime stories. And yeah, I'll include all of my macros of what I had for food all day today. I'm done eating. I was gonna have a snack before I go to bed, but I think I'm gonna end it there at 5:30. That way there I can do a 20-hour fast, and I'll be able to break my fast at 1:30 tomorrow. I believe that's 20 hours if my math is correct. But yeah, I like to utilize intermittent fasting. Definitely a good tool, and it's very easy to do in combination with keto. Alright guys, I hope this was informative for you guys. I hope you learned something. I hope it was helpful. Smash that thumbs up button if so, and make sure you subscribe if you have not. I will be putting out some more vlogs, some more videos in the near future. Alright guys, always remember, consistency is the king. Keep rocking and rolling.